In this video, I'll show you how you can check the mobile version and make some adjustments to it if necessary. So first of all, in order to check what my page will look like on an actual screen, we can use the check button here on the top left of the screen. Click that and you will see a preview of your very page. So you can see here that I'm currently previewing the desktop format, so this will be what it will look like on a desktop. Second button will show what it will look like on an actual tablet. And the third one will show what it will look like on a mobile version. So you can see here, these pop-ups have moved down and they've been stacked underneath each other in order to fit a mobile screen. And all elements are automatically translated to mobile as well. And if I wanted to make some changes to this mobile view, let me get out of the check in the preview window and go to the left side of the screen, and you will see here a desktop icon. So by default, we're always developing for desktop, but we can switch to the mobile view as well. And here you can see the mobile editing panel, and it works basically the exact same, exactly similar to the desktop editing window, but of course you can make some changes to the mobile view. So for example, I can hide this element on mobile. If I don't want this button to show on a mobile screen, because it doesn't have any value for mobile, for example, you can hide this element on the right side of the screen. Use hide this element and it will be hidden now, so it will not show on the mobile version. If I'm going back to desktop, you will see that it will still show, but on mobile it will be disappearing. I can also add new elements. So for example, if I want text to appear on the mobile version, simply drag that in. You can see a warning appear here on the right side of the screen telling me that this will be a mobile only element. So this will not be able to be viewed on a desktop. So this will be a mobile only element. Now going back to desktop, then you will see that it will not show the text element that I've just added in the mobile version. So in order to change the mobile version a little bit from the desktop version, you can add or delete or hide elements separately from the desktop version of your page. So you can see here it has a button here on the desktop version, and the tablet version as well, by the way. And the mobile version will not have the button, but it will have the text elements here. So that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.